Just had all kinds of digits today. Finger problems, toe problems, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're rolling.
Knee problem.
We got crushed, don't we?
Yeah, crushed.
Crushed, man. What happened to your finger?
Well, I hadn't crushed my finger in such a long time. I thought it'd be a good idea to find a door that was the correct weight, height, and had the great closure that would put the pressure to it, and see if it still hurt.
Yeah,
and it does.
Okay, good, fantastic. All right, so we X-rayed you, and you do not have a fracture of the finger, which just leaves us with this really painful collection of blood under the nail. And this happened yesterday?
Yes.
Okay.
You shouldn't lie. You can always admit that your wife decided to get a what's it called?
Finger in the door.
No, not slam the finger. What's that tool?
Rolling pin?
Pinches.
Scissors?
Pliers or
Pliers,
something.
pliers.
Grips.
You ever had this done before?
No, I haven't.
This is really not any fun at all.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply pressure here for a moment. We're going to give you what I call mechanical anesthesia. What that means is basically I'm just going to pinch the nerves on the side of your finger so it will lessen the sudden flash of pain you're going to experience.
And we do not appreciate any profanity, so this is PG, okay?
Yeah, let's keep it PG, would you? So we're just going to, I'm got a pretty good squeeze going there. So about, 20-30 seconds is all we have to apply. And hopefully you won't feel a lot of pain. But we're going to, this will heat up super hot, and we're just going to tap the nail. It should go right through, relieve the pressure, and take away the pain. Why don't you look the other way? It's probably better if you're not looking.
I figured as much.
Did you? It's all done. How was that?
It was not too bad.
Wasn't too bad?
Not as bad
And
as
it was just like a needle.
It's fine.
Was it? Just a little stick-like thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're going to put a Band-Aid on this for you in a second.
Time use.
How's it feel now?
Yeah, still got a little bit on the end.
Jonah.
I felt that.
You felt that, didn't you?
Yeah.
That hurt more, didn't it?
Uh-huh.
Alright, so we're going to put a Band-Aid on that. Don't put any ointment on that. We want this to be able to still drain a little bit tonight if it needs to. So just a dry dressing. If you put ointment on it, it can plug up the little hole that we made in the nail. We don't want that to happen.
Okay.
Alright, so be careful. And thanks for letting us... did we ask him if we could video? We didn't even ask him. How come we're
We
not...
don't have to ask him.
Yeah, we do. We have to ask him.
No.
Yeah,
You
we
know
do.
why?
No.
You can video me.
Is that and we can put it on YouTube?
Yeah, sure.
Are you sure? All right.
So I wanted to take a moment and give my personal testimonial from Meta 7. You can see I've got a lot of Meta 7 that's over a year's supply. Why do I have so much? Because I absolutely believe in it and I like it. I take Meta 7 every morning, my wife does, and so does my best friend Sean. We all enjoy the subtle energy kick that you get from Meta 7. So what's the point of Meta 7? It's a metabolism booster. It gets your energy going, it gets you to create and process the food in your body and turn it into energy. Now some people say it helps you lose weight. I feel like it makes you more active, and sometimes like a side effect is that you're losing weight because you're doing more stuff. You're getting out during the day and you don't even realize it. So anyway, go to Amazon, go ahead and check out Meta 7. You can pick it up. It's a great product and it will really activate your life. It's got B12, D3, B6, magnesium, chromium, alpha lipoic acid, and coenzyme Q10. So anyway folks, go ahead and check it out. It's a really amazing product. You're gonna love it. Order yours today. There's an Amazon link in the description below.